Yeah, it was definitely the way it was sitting on the stand. That's why I didn't start. I'm waiting for it to get warmer out. I'm not even unloading my bike. Oh, yeah. This one. Try hit limiter.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the fresh new kit on. We're out here at Crow Hill with Tommy P, Zach, Steve, all the boys. So I'm tossed the GoPro on, do some laps. Bike's still running mint. Looks pretty mint. New rims are still holding up. Same with everything else. Tom's got something to show you guys.
I already hit it.
Zach on the helmet cam.
So it's already starting?
Yeah, it started.
Alright.
Come on, look like you're gonna ride.
Alright guys, you're on the slowest rider of the day's helmet. You're gonna be,
Here,
you
just
can't even get on
stand
his
here.
bike
Yeah,
without falling over. Let's see if he can do a whole lap without falling.
Or smoking.
Mommy's gonna be proud
You
of
think
him.
you'll look like that, or you're gonna look farther down?
I don't know, probably like this. Something like that.
Okay, that's good then.
Alright, yeah?
Yep. Alright guys, like usual, I didn't end up filming an outro at the track, but that's going to be it for today's video. I just want to keep it short and simple, a few laps. This weekend, I think I'm going to go test ride the 2021 Cowies at Southwick and ride my bike. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.